What did happen?
Yeah, call you.
For you. What did happen?
You. Call you.
This one not be my foul.
Eh, now your foul.
No, now your foul. You don't know where your ass be. You play resemble your ass.
Nah, the colors for food. They say this foul in Norway, they sick. Say, oh yeah, we come, we call treater. I make us come here.
You can lie, yo.
Huh? The foul no way.
Yeah, the truth be say, this fowl crow for afternoon.
The foul crow for afternoon.
Na atrocity, na taboo. As the fowl crow for afternoon, they say mo go carry am come.
I can't take crow for afternoon.
Okay.
Tell him.
Mapa na traditional man and na chief. So for our village, any fowl wey crow for afternoon, we dey put am for pot.
They kill and chop.
And they put am for pot. How the fowl take crow?
Tell him.
The fowl do kukuruku.
Yeah. Not be the same kukuruku you do so. Yeah? You enter pot like this now. They put you inside pot.
Continue. Na fowl now.
You not be fowl.
Here, for their village, any fowl wey crow for afternoon, na kill they kill and chop here.
For where?
For their village.
Yeah, na their village. You play na your village. Say your father na traditional man, your father na thief. But that your father no be chief, na thief.
Here, not be how you dey talk so. For our village too, if fowl crow for afternoon, they kill and chop here.
If you not take time now, they go chop you. They go chop you with this your polo eye.
Here, you come on your eye from my eye.
I know they come on eye. My eye is on you. You hear me now? My eye is on you. You hear me? If you not take time now, your polo eye now they go bolo. Rubbish. Before I open my eye now, I put the fowl for ground. Or are you breaching your character? Hey, robber, thief. Only 1 minute where I not lock this gate today now. Una want to come at thief fowl. Your father know the train fowl. Say fowl cry the fowl na dey cry for afternoon. Fowl no me. I don't know say you get time wey fowl to dey crawl. No say somebody. If your father train fowl, they forbid to grow. Father na chief na traditional man and enemy. Now want to come and use that to take thief my fowl and robber. That one way do I like frog wey person mash. Come and be saying na so that they do am for their village. Come punish you. Man see una leg around the area again now. Take brute change your character. See how person be. Yama yama.
We must learn a lesson.